Describe 2 consequences of the Stonor Rebellion of 1739 on the rights of slaves. 8 marks. This is the mark scheme for this question, which you can find out about in more detail in the overview video. But we do know that 4 marks are available for AO2, which is your analysis of consequence. So essentially, what happened as a result of the event, and why was it significant? Why was it important? To explain that, you need to be relying on AO1, which is also worth 4 marks, and that's for your knowledge and understanding of the period. So using evidence from your own knowledge to explain the consequence and explain why it's significant. It's that kind of detailed explanation using your own knowledge which shows that you can be analytical, and that is how you score highly on this question. You also need to demonstrate detailed knowledge, so using evidence from your own knowledge is really, really important to score highly. There are many points you could have given when answering this question, so as long as what you say is relevant and correct, the examiner will accept it. But here are some examples of points that you could have made. So, one consequence could be the death of the 25 colonists and somewhere between 35 and 50 slaves. You can then expand on that a little bit, saying that this is the largest slave rebellion in the southern colonies and the implications of that. So what's really important here is that we've identified a consequence, but then we're expanding on why it's important, why it's significant, and bringing in that detail from your own knowledge is really what can push you into the higher bands. Take a look at the rest of the points to see if there's anything you could have added to your own answer.